Hi, welcome on my channel. Here you can learn lots of different nail art techniques, also how to do the nails as well. So if you're new here, have a look at my other videos, and if you're interested you could subscribe as well. Today I'm just really fed up of those rainy and dark days, and I thought, okay, we are going to go for something pink, just to cheers everyone up, and I have came up with the idea of a little bit of sugar designs, a little bit geometric, kind of pretty simple and easy for a perfect Monday episode, and today is the 29th one, so I hope you will really enjoy watching this tutorial, and if you did, give me a like. So that's what we are going to do again, and you can see it as a sugar with some kind of geometric looks, different bits and pieces, swirls, and I will show you how to recreate this look. I have painted the background in a pink, kind of medium color, not too light, not too dark, then applied the top coat and buff it because I didn't want to get any fluffy bits in it, but you can go straight away into an inhibition layer, you don't need to apply the top coat. Then I'm going to use a couple of the different shades of the pink, and the one is 146, 164. So just a couple, put it on the side, and the white as well. And then with my brush I will create the designs. So starting with the darkest one, like a teardrop shape. And the other one just opposite way. And now we are going to keep adding the lines around it, just exactly the same shape but with different colors. So the next one will be a slightly lighter one. You can use absolutely different kind of ideas of the design. You could do a dot or a cycle in the middle and then just go round it and round it to create a similar look. Then I will leave maybe an empty gap and go with the white. Actually, the empty gap is gone now. Two shaky hands. You can also flash cure it in between the layers, just so you don't get them mixed or they don't move too much. It's quite interesting look as well. I'm going to give it a 2 seconds cure just to freeze the gel polish so it doesn't run. And now I'm going to leave an empty gap and create like a third color, mixing this pink and the darkest pink. and I'm kind of keep going until I fill up quite a lot of design. So the next one is going to be white again. And a tiny bit of white in here as well. And that's basically at finish. I have to give it a cure and then top coat it so we could use the sugar effect on it. And for a sugar, you could use either like a very, very fine glitter, or you could use like a mermaid effect. So I've got some like powder in here, which is a very, very fine. And that works perfectly for a sugar because the clients don't feel it as much. It's not as rough. And even if you go with the like wipe and a nail dehydrator, which is a pretty strong, it just doesn't damage the design and doesn't make it to come off. So to achieve this look, I'm just applying the top coat. Best one is a no wipe top coat. So take a no wipe top coat and apply it on the entire surface of the design. And then just sprinkle on top of it the sugar powder or a mermaid powder or any other like a very, very fine glitter. I can cure this one now. Give it always a little bit longer cure just to make sure that the glitter is not going to wear off too quick, and then clean it with the brush and I show you the end results. It is a very quick and effective design for your salon work. I quite like it because we can mix different colors and we can complete slightly different looks. It will look really nice in purples, blues, and any other color. So that's this one ready as well, and I'm going to wipe the excess of the glitter, and that's the finished look. So I hope you have enjoyed watching this tutorial, and if you did, give me a like and subscribe. Thanks guys, bye!